The idea is that in areas where AM broadcast is not available, that you can have fun hands-on. Testing crystal radio, 10-meter band. Now you will hear my voice twice. Once I'm talking in the microphone for the transmission, and delayed is the loudspeaker from the crystal radio. Bring the phone closer to the crystal radio, not so that it can be seen better, but so that it can be heard better. Test 10-meter band, testing crystal radio, tuned to 10-meter band. It works on 15-meter band too, so it will work for 27 megahertz CB band because that's a little bit closer to the 10-meter band. The capacitor and the inductor forming the tank circuit. The diode, antenna and ground, output to the speaker or headphones. Right now there is no impedance matching, so it's got to be a high impedance speaker or headphone for all of this to work, to be heard, and then just a couple of wires for the antenna. There is no coil winding rather. The inductor comes in a package. Inside there is a coil, of course. I haven't seen other crystal radios for HF that don't have a coil wound. This idea could make for an interesting student project, radio receiver. Crystal radio 10-meter band, CB and 15 meters.